Maintaining a home can be costly, but creating a budget for home services can help you manage expenses and prevent unexpected costs. Here are some tips and tricks to help you stay on track. Identify your home service needs by making a list of all the services you require, including regular maintenance, repairs, and upgrades. Research costs by checking online or contacting local home service providers for quotes. This will give you an idea of how much money you will need to budget for each service. Prioritize services based on their importance and urgency. Set a realistic budget based on your research and prioritization. And include a buffer for unexpected costs and emergencies. Track your expenses by keeping a record of all the money you spend on home services, and compare it to your budget. Look for ways to save by researching DIY options, negotiating with service providers, or taking advantage of special deals or promotions. Reevaluate your budget regularly as your needs and circumstances change.